We don't have the luxury of just putting anybody as president. Look at the country today. They say there are 4 types of nations in the world: strong nation, weak nation, failing nation, and failed nation. Before APC came, we were a weak nation, but now we are into a failing nation. God forbid we will be a failed nation. So this time round, we need somebody that will rescue this country and take us from weak and inshallah to a strong nation. So it's not a time that we just send anybody there. Either we say he's my man, he's my friend, or because we worship the same God. No. We must send somebody there that has capacity, that has ability, that has knowledge, that has experience. Out of all the aspirants, both APC, both PDP, there's only one person that has done 8 years as governor and also chairman of the National Assembly. There's no other person. So challenge all the aspirants with all great respect to them. Today now, you need a man with experience. Look at the country. It is so disunited. Before they were talking north, south, south, north. You need somebody that can unite Nigeria. Somebody that the north will feel comfortable with, somebody that the south will feel comfortable with. I believe too that I'm that person that can unite Nigeria. You need somebody that can be a bridge between the youth and the old. I believe also I am that bridge between the old. Between Muslims and Christians. Because we are seeing what is happening in our country today. I can be that bridge between Muslims and Christians. Today, in Nigeria, look at the insecurity. Look at the lack of jobs and the cost of living. You need somebody that will make people to come and invest in Nigeria. Somebody that has the international connection that people say, that's the president of Nigeria, we are going to Nigeria. I believe that I can be also that person. Today, we have 10 days. 10 days to the primaries. And I know that out of all of us who have come out, let us vote for the president that will make Nigeria better. Let us not vote for today. Because whatever we get today is for today. It's not for our children. It's not our children that have not yet been born. Let us vote for the man that can bring industry, that can bring jobs. But to do that, you must know how government works. You must have history. Those of you who have worked, who have seen every office I've met, I've left it better. Next door to you, I was governor for 8 years. By the time I left Kwara as governor, there was a difference in Kwara State. When I went to National Assembly as Senate President, today you can see the difference between 8 National Assembly and 9 National Assembly. Yes. And with your support, I become President. No, area to Nigeria. Would have been Nigeria. Ẹ̀yà kọ́kọ́ fi ẹsẹ̀ gbẹ̀ náà. Gbogbo àwọn aspirant kọ́ ń gbé wọn jáde kẹ́ fi ọmọ yín kẹ́ wá kẹ́ á wò ó. Ta lójú èmi náà ni. Lágbára náà. Ẹ̀yin Delegate Oyo State. Ọmọ yín ni kò sí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ìsẹ́yìn inú ilé wa ń bì. Ṣé wá jẹ́ lọ́gbà ìtumọ̀ Ìlọrin náà? Ṣé àmà àwọn àtúntò kò sí bí? Òkè Ògùn ni. Àpáta Òkè Ògùn ni. Ó bá àwọn bàbá ṣiṣẹ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ òṣèlú wọn látọ̀dọ̀ bàbá náà ti kọ́. Bàbá wa ń bì. Ọmọ bàbá ni. Ẹ̀dà wa ń bì. Ọmọ bàbá ni. Lágbára Oyo State náà di president. Lókè bàbá náà jẹ́ sùn. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin náà tẹ̀lé ní bá bàbá ṣiṣẹ́. Ọlọ́run ló kárí àfúrásìkò yìí. Wọ́n ṣe wàhálà ìjọ náà. Ẹ̀wọ̀n sọ pé ṣé north ni ṣé south ni ẹ wá wọlé ni o. Ìkọ́tà àwọn wá Nàìjíríà lé mi. Nigerians for all Nigerians. Our delegates in the Oyo State. Ó dá mi lójú pé tí bá wà bẹ́ẹ̀ wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àjọ máa ṣe. Àkókò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ direct ni. Direct. Ó fọ àwọn aspirants kẹrin sí. Njẹ́ o lè mọ̀ ọ́? Njẹ́ o lè mọ̀ ọ́? Ṣé ọmọ ìṣẹ́yìn ni wọ́n ni? Ṣé ọmọ ìṣẹ́yìn ni wọ́n? Delegate. It's not a small number. 190. What's the number? You know what the man will go by. Because okay, you are going to call the vote by. I'm sure you're there or you need. And I can promise you that I have the ability, the capacity to do it. I have shown it over the years. I stood for Nigeria. I stood for the integrity of National Assembly despite the persecution and oppression. I have shown that I'm a man that will stand for what is right. I am shown that I'm a man that will lead this country in the right direction. This country needs people with energy because the work is a lot. You need somebody that has dynamism because that is what the country needs today. You need somebody that you know. You need somebody you can talk to, can reach you. You need somebody that you can call and say, Baba Eloba Moasono, Kontafeni, Adeshifu. If you want to continue to have Baba Shefu in Oyo State, as I said in my speech, I might not have the story of either going from grass to grace, but I understand to whom much is given, much is expected. You disappoint Ila Korolo. Yes, there are many aspirants. But Amorawa. And okay, my idea for Oyo State, development of Oyo State. In Oyo State, you can see the difference between a dynamic. Digital, dynamic, young. Computer is
of a neighboring state, like you rightly pointed out, you have been a Senate President of this Federal Republic. I want to conclude that the delegates in Oyo State and the people of Oyo State generally, because you are one of us, believe you don't only have the temperament, you have the candor, yes, for this office. Yes. And we will only pray that come 10 days time, you will be announced as remains gladdened because you have met with our leader, and I'm sure the needful must have been discussed.
Yes.
And straight to Asoro. Inshallah. Thank you. On the last note, on behalf of everybody, you are once again welcome. And we are other states that you are going, we should join the message so that we meet in 10 days time and we laugh to find the glory of God and the benefit of the people of Nigeria. Thank you. God bless you all.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.